want to introduce to you today the new Willys Xtreme Recon 392. Our Willys is the package that creates all the excitement. It's our base Willys wheeler, and you'll see it recognizable by the black grille, the black accents, and everything you need to wheel out of the box and nothing more. So it's a great package. So for the first time ever, we've got our 35-inch Xtreme Recon package on Willys. To put it in perspective, this is a $39,435 Jeep. So it's really fun because 39 and then 4, so 435. So you'll be able to remember that that number pretty easily. But the nice thing is you can right out of the box buy this from the factory with 35s. That comes with a 1.5-inch lift, BFG KO2 tires, 35-inch tall as you'd expect, 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels, and amazing ground clearance. 11 inches of ground clearance, and comes with skid plates, tow hooks, the rock guards, and this thing is ready to wheel. It has positive track rear end with it as well, so this thing is capable right out of the box.
In 1941, we've had a lot of Wrangler news, and behind me is some of that Wrangler news. Now, 21 miles of all-electric range, backed up to being 470 pound-feet of torque. And there you go. So now, back to open-air freedom. So whether it's the power top or the flip top,
Walk in the park.
Passing girl, go up. You're okay, keep coming. You're gonna come up again. Nice ball. There you go. You're gonna come up again right here. There you go. Got it. Well done.
This is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love.